Count and write the numbers greater than and less than. Greater than হচ্ছে সংখ্যা বড় তার দিকে এই চিহ্নটা হা করে থাকবে, আর less than হচ্ছে ছোট সংখ্যা। ছোট সংখ্যার দিকে হা করে থাকবে না। যেমন 1 2 3 4 5। 1 2 3 4 5 বড় 4 ছোট। greater than 1 2 3 4 5 6। 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 3 বড় 1 ছোট। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 বড় 7 ছোট। Look at the numbers. Write greater than or less than in the box. Write the correct numbers greater than in the box. 4 7 7 greater than 9 3 greater than 9 4 2 greater than 4 0 3 greater than 3 9 0 greater than 9 6 5 greater than 6 4 3 greater than 4 1 8 greater than 8 9 10 greater than 10 5 2 greater than 5 9 4 greater than 9 8 2 greater than 8 6 3 greater than 6 4 5 greater than 5 2 4 greater than 4 10 9 greater than 3 10 greater than 10 5 6 greater than 6 8 7 greater than 8 8 10 greater than 10